welcome back. The Just Sawdust workshop, part 4 I think, on the van conversion. I made this frame for the 2 solar panels. I wanted to make it out of aluminium, but that would have cost me another 75 euros or something just for these little pieces of aluminium. So I bought this galvanized steel because it's not to support the solar panels, because they would fit on these brackets right away, but I wanted to make that curve in the roof. So I've got now this profile right in the corner, but on the top there's a half centimeter gap which is filled with some tape, and so these are now in the shape of the roof. Secondly, I want to hide all the cables inside this profile and then put some rubber tape on there too, so that the solar panels are actually, well, really tight in there, and then of course they're going to get the screws from the sides. I've got a rear view camera. It's just a little thing, but it needs to be here on the back too, and I have to mount that first when I do the cables, and then take the screws out again when I put the panels in. But I'm going to put the panels in this frame on top of the roof and not make everything in one piece, because then it's too heavy to get it on the roof again. So yeah, that's where we are now, and let's see if we can get all this cabling to the right places. Well, everything fits on the roof. I've marked everything out where everything goes. I know where to cut the hole for the roof light, because it needs to be, in front of this rack that I made. The only thing I need to mount on here is this little antenna. I could drill it straight through the roof, or put it with a bracket on this rack, but I don't know yet. For some reason I misplaced or didn't receive or threw away the cables that belong to this, that go to the router. Go to the router, well, whatever. Yeah, so I've got to look really good whether I've misplaced them somewhere or otherwise order them. But it's too hot to put this all on now. It's still 40 degrees around here, so yeah, this is the end of part number 4, and I'll just go as quickly as possible, but you will see probably everything mounted on the roof in part number 5. Well, I hope so. So for now, at the logo.